In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import LinkedIn contacts into Hubspot. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly bring your LinkedIn connections into your Hubspot CRM to improve your workflow and relationship management. This process should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open up a web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage at hubspot.com. HubSpot is a powerful CRM tool that helps streamline and organize your business processes. It's vital that you're logged into the correct account, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click the login button, conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and once logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard. Make sure you're familiar with this interface, as it's the central hub from which you'll manage all your HubSpot activities. Next, navigate your cursor to the top menu where you'll find the marketplace icon. This resembles a small grid or a series of squares, making it easy to spot. Click on this icon to open the HubSpot marketplace. This marketplace is where you can find various apps that integrate with HubSpot, expanding its functionality and making your life much easier by connecting different tools you already use. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll see an apps option in the menu. Click on it to display a search bar, and in this search bar type in LinkedIn. This search will help you locate the necessary app required for importing your LinkedIn contacts. It's a straightforward way to find specific apps amidst the many available options. After typing LinkedIn in the search bar, you'll see a list of apps related to LinkedIn integration. Look for an app that fits your needs and click on it. A page offering more details about the app will open. This information is crucial as it provides insight into what the app can do and how it would benefit your tasks. Now, locate the Install App button, typically prominent on the LinkedIn app page. Click on this button to start the installation process. You might be prompted to grant permissions for the app to access specific data or perform certain actions within your HubSpot account. Ensure you review these permissions carefully and authorize access only if you're comfortable. Once installed, follow any additional setup steps the app might require to connect your LinkedIn account with HubSpot. This integration will enable HubSpot to automatically sync your LinkedIn contacts, giving you the convenience of having all your connections within one powerful CRM tool. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the LinkedIn app in HubSpot to import your LinkedIn contacts. This process simplifies your contact management and can significantly improve how you keep track of your professional network. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.